Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, with a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar this week did push up very strong, and it also did give us a break of structure. It definitely looks like a potential end of an ABC correction. Now, I totally agree with anybody that thinks that this is not a very big pullback and that maybe it could go down. I mean, this could turn into a more of a complex pattern like an A, B, C, D, and then go down and make, take out all these lows and make like a wave E, or maybe even like a WXYXZ pattern or something like that. But as of right now, I mean, with the breaker structure, with the three-way pullback, with the impulsive move up and corrective down, I'm definitely looking at this as possibly continuing the higher daily, weekly, monthly time frame uptrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I would want to see some sort of a three-wave pullback. So we see one wave down, and then we see a break of structure. So there's one wave, then we have a wave up. So potentially an A, potentially a B. Now we are in the third wave. So if we get a Fibonacci bounce off any of these levels with a nice impulsive move up, whether it happens at the 61 or whether it decides to go down to the 78, I have no idea. But if it does bounce really hard from one of these levels, especially if you get like a break of structure, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for another entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. We got a pretty decent amount of news today, so hopefully we get this end of a correction, and this really is like a wave one, wave two, and wave three. Just be cautious because, like I said, we could possibly turn into a much more complex correction on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.